Hey, it's Rob from Pond Paradise Designs. Check out one of these large water features we just finished. It's got 46,000 gallons of water coming down in this thing. All the rock was artistically picked and placed. It's incredible. It's got some volume coming down, sound and water. Incredible. It's got 4 waterfalls coming down, 2 combined in the middle. 20,000 gallons of water right there. 13,000 gallons on the left. Another 13,000 gallons over here on the right. This thing is so strong, coming down real good. Incredible. Very proud of this. One of my top 5 I've ever done. You guys can be the judge of that. Very happy with this one. Check more about water features out at PondParadiseDesigns.com, Long Island's premier water feature specialist.